Hi, my name is Jomana.
And I'm Stella.
And this is our project.
Our project is a keyhole garden.
A keyhole garden compost is a compost that is a garden bed that grows vegetables or fruits or any type of plants of that sort. It also uses the compost to decompose any type of matter. This is pretty, isn't it? You know what else is pretty? Our environment.
Sadly, our environment is damaged to the tons of trash produced by humans each year.
It contributes to increasing decomposition, carbon and nitrogen over a course of a short period of time, and as well as growing vegetables and fruits.
Our campus has many strengths and weaknesses. The main strengths are there is compostable food, recycling, and a lot of gardens around the school. Despite the many strengths our school has, we also have a lot of weaknesses. For example, classroom and cafeterias produce a bunch of trash, and included with the cafeteria are film materials, things that are not compostable.
The goal of our project is to reduce the amount of waste produced each year. This means that we will be diverting 132 pounds of waste each year. This means that this process is going to be a year long for the decomposition of our compost and waste, as well as it taking a long time to change every 4 times each 3 months. This means that we will be taking 25% of 132 pounds of waste each year to put in our compost.
The total cost for our budget came out to $697, including materials needed and aesthetics.
Data table of our plants, we chose to use sweet peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, squash, broccoli, and carrots. These contain a large amount of nutrients and fertilization, and we also measured the amount of time it would take their production and their photosynthesis, as well as their space and their sunlight needed for them all to grow. This is the graph for the temperature over time that we've measured for this entire year. We have March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is from the highest to the lowest. This was a graph that was specifically made for the temperature of our plants to sustain reproduction and growth over the course of the time period.
These graphs will show how much we have of compostable food in our cafeteria. We collected an estimated amount of 5 pounds during one art lunch and one cafeteria lunch of one table. There was 3 pounds of food scraps and 2 pounds of compostable waste.
In our data graphs, we managed to collect 10 pounds of compostable waste as well as 4 to 5 pounds of food waste.
Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you very much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed.